why she is not feeling pleasured in bed and how to change that respectfully. If your woman is not feeling pleasured in bed, understand. How do you change that to make her begin to feel pleasured in bed? What does not feeling pleasured in bed means? It means that she might be feeling disconnected or physically unsatisfied during intimate moments with you. Do you get me? She is not satisfied whenever both of you, as the husband and the wife, have intimacy. She is there physically with you on the bed and doing the do, but her mind is somewhere else. Maybe thinking, he's not into me, or he is rushing me. If you are such a man and you have experienced this from your woman, this teaching is going to reverse it. After listening to me, you are going to see a different person entirely if you follow and do what I'm going to tell you to do. Welcome, relationship enthusiasts. One of the things you must do to change that respectfully is drop your ego. Instead of you telling her or asking her, didn't you enjoy that? You can say something like this: what would you love me to do differently? Do you see the difference between these two? Some people, when they hear ask her question, when you are having that with her, when you are having intimacy, ask her questions. This is the kind of question they will ask. The first one, like, didn't you enjoy that? But instead of that, you can ask her something like this: what would you want me to do differently? You have given her an open check. A woman who hears this from you is going to be free. Even if she is a woman who don't talk, you will begin to see her use her finger, begin to point to you where and where to touch. You understand? This brings her home to you. The next thing you must do to solve this respectfully, and you see her begin to enjoy you, get pleasure in bed, is to make sure you explore her preferences. What do I mean? This is where the main thing lies. Some men who are not understanding or who are impatient will not understand this. Every woman are not created the same. Women are not created the same. There are women, when you touch their hair, it will trigger them. Others, when you touch their laps, it triggers them. There are others, you will have to touch the combination of both the hair, the lips, the ear, the laps, and the main place. Do you understand? So you have to pay attention to her preferences, to what she likes, else she will be disconnected immediately. This is why you see some women not, talking good about intimacy with their men. Some even go as far as going outside to look for men, younger ones, who will have it with them. And you know the consequences of it. Make sure you don't push your wife out. You understand? By doing this, you know the era we are in today. Era of internet. Everything is there. Whether you teach, they know it or not. Internet is there to teach them as long as they have phone. All they need is a phone. Those of them who are not careful will fall into temptation. And before you know it, story is going to be told. Make sure you go according to her preference. Study her body type. Study what she likes. This is a way to keep her loving intimacy with you. Yes, unless you want to go out yourself as a man to go to have it. Another thing you must do to correct this is her mind. What do I mean by this? You understand? Slowly, like I've said, you are not there to waste your time. Make sure you go gentle, little by little. You ask her, what I'm doing, do you like it? Is it hurting you? Are you feeling at home? Some women may ask you, oh, leave me, I don't want to be talking. Others who are friendly, not as if the other ones are not friendly, but they are expressive. You see them begin to tell you, oh yes, I like this, I love this, do it this way, do it this way, oh just be there. Do you understand? This is what keeps marriage. Marriage is for bonding, and this is one of the things that makes you bond. You see the woman touching you all over. As you are sitting down, you come and ask you, oh honey, have you eaten? Oh love, have you eaten? What do you want to eat? Because you have really given her what she wants. Every woman, there's no woman that does not like intimacy, that does not like sex. Every woman in marriage love it. Moreover, that is one of the assignments they are married for. Do you understand? Why will you not go there? You don't know your left, you don't know your right. Some of them have come to tell me, even before 2 minutes, everything is out. What am I doing there? Even the time I will be ready, that is when he will be snoring. How? Hey, now wow, make sure after listening to this teaching, change. Women are reporting about their men, what they are going through, and most of them are no longer interested in sex. Most married women, they say, after all, I have children. What do I need it for? Just be behaving like children. Is it food? When you begin to hear a woman telling you, is it food? Does it take you to heaven? You know that the man is pokre, or the husband is nothing to write home about. Is upon kibe. Do you understand? Make sure you are lively, and your woman will love you more. Another thing you will do to change her opinion, her decision, and the way she acts in bed respectfully is communicate sweetly. The way to do this is to encourage her voice. You can tell her, oh baby, oh honey, oh sweetie, guide me, baby. Do you understand? You begin to call her names, and within her she will say, now wow, this man is calling me this name today. This one is good, oh, and it would make her to make sure you keep calling her those names. Because any woman you call sweet names, I wonder the kind of mouth you will use to even curse her again or call her useless woman. Make sure you do it so that she will appreciate you more. And this will make her open up more when she feels invited by you. Anytime you call her, you see her run. Before you know it, she's there already for you. The next thing you must do to change that respectfully is warn her emotionally. Tell her something like this: you don't need to be perfect. I just want you. Do you understand? Encourage her. Maybe she has not done it before. She is just learning. Use this kind of word. You just married her newly, or you have been in marriage with her, but she does not enjoy it. She has not, enjoyed it or had pleasure in bed with you. Tell her, I don't need you to be perfect. I know with time, you are going to learn and change. This will encourage her more. I want you to know that emotional warmth unlocks pleasure. It is necessary. The next thing you must do is, and with care, after intimacy with your woman, make sure you hold her or still stay on top of her. You can go on to kiss her, to touch her lightly from the hair to her laps, anywhere your hand can reach. Hold her tight. Ask her these questions. How do you feel? I hope you liked it. Did I do it well? Did I try? This closeness makes her feel valued. Do you understand? Make sure you put this in practice. I want to ask you before I continue, my brothers, have you subscribed to my channel? Kindly subscribe. Even at this juncture, kindly put your hand on the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Kindly do that. Write a little comment to encourage your sister. I will appreciate it. Tag your brother anywhere. I want to add this. Pleasure is a flower. It blooms where patience and kindness are planted. Do you understand? Thank you for watching. Yes, I have come to the end of today's teaching. Kindly put something in the comment section if you want to ask us a question, or you have an experience, or want to encourage other men. We are here to learn. Let's build our relationships, our marriages. If you are seeing me for the first time, or you've been watching without subscribing, kindly subscribe to your sister's channel. My returning viewers and subscribers, God bless all of you. Kindly hit the notification bell. Share this video to all your friends. Remember, we are here always. Love you. Bye-bye.